Please raise your right hand as a sign of sincerity. Supreme Student Government, SSG. Follow after me. I state your name. Ngalan mo ba? Of grade. Ano ba yung grade din?
Grade 1.
Had been elected as solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position that I have clearly understood, and I will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances by the Department of Education, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me, Lord.